You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Try Treats for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I truly appreciate it. It's time for my last Try Treats box. And I want to say thanks to them for sending this to me to check out on video. I have decided to make this my last one because I think it's time. I have been duplicating snacks and thought, well, maybe I need to find some other treats. So here we go. This is the last box for me. It is from Pakistan. All right, that's nice. Now these I probably have not duplicated. Now the last 2 or 3 videos I've been putting all of these cards up, and this one with all the snacks I actually left up for the entire video. And then I will show you the different facts and then the recipe they have on the back there. So take a look at that. That's what's going to happen next. And then I will come back and try the treats. Ooh, you want me to check out what we have? This box is packed. I will be back. Here we go. Twitch by Coulson. Let's export quality. I was just looking at that little sticker up there. Original. And then masala. It looks like hot peppers. Yes. Ooh, hot peppers. Established since 1942. Here we go. I am going to try them. I sound so excited. Yes. All these snacks. I don't think I've had any of these before. So for me now, my last box being a box that I have not really experienced most of these snacks. Okay. Very much like, well, not really. I was going to say they're like shoestring, but they're not. They're flat. It's almost like a shaved piece of potato. Very spicy. It hits you real fast, and now the heat's coming on. I like that. I like the flavor in there. And the spice, very nice. Ooh, all right. Next one is Yums by Candyland. Sour fruit chews. That ought to be interesting. Colorful packaging. I have to say, all the packaging is very colorful. It's a nice lime green. And then let's see what these fruit chews are all about. Okay, kind of reminds me of an M&M. Or a Skittles, doesn't it? They're a little misshapen, and the colors are a little less bright. It could be because that they're more natural colors and not artificial. Here we go. It's as hard as a Skittle. The flavor is like a Mambo, though. Almost a little waxiness to it. The sour, not hitting me. If it's there, it's very light. But still a nice little treat. The skin has a little crack to it when you first bite it. Alright, Sno-Cones. That's a fun name. They look like little cones. Now they show 2 colors on the outside. But I'm not seeing that bright look on the inside. There are 2 colors here. There's this color and this color, maybe 3. And they don't look as happy as they do on the packaging, but they have a sugary coating. They're very hard. Hard to chew. I'm still trying to get through it. Imagine the hardest beef jerky you can chew on. That's kind of what you got. The flavor is really nice, though. I'd probably eat more of these. But not now, because I have to finish the video. But overall, a tasty snack. All right, Chills potato sticks. I'm wondering now if potato sticks are the in thing. Snack City, it says there, and the two chips are the A and Snack Spicy. Ooh, another spicy one. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Kind of the same style. When those spices first hit you, it's slightly pungent. But just because there's so many, it's got an interesting like first taste to it. But the spice now hit me in the back of the throat big time. I'm going to enjoy eating these snacks later. That was very nice. Crispy, just like the last one. Like a flat shoestring potato. This one here reminded me of like a mastacholi or a rigatoni pasta noodle. Colson, ready to eat snack, salted. They look hollow with ridges on it. There's some more information there. Delicious crunchy snacks. There's the ingredients. Ready to eat snack. That's good to hear. Yeah, it sure does. Look at that. Again, I have to tell you, the initial smell is like opening a paint bucket. Yeah, not kidding you. And I've recently been painting. I noticed you see a little bit of white on my hand. And that's kind of what it smells like. Let's see what they taste like. Slightly bland. No overwhelming flavor. They're very soft. They just melt in your mouth. Yeah, look at that. It's like a foam. I'm eating foam. Very tasty. All right, not my favorite. I'd probably eat them if it was just there and something to munch on, but I wouldn't buy them again for myself anyway. Maybe it's acquired. I have no idea. That was called slant because they're cut on a slant, right? And then potato sticks by Colson. Pepper and salt. These look good. And roasted snack with corn. A healthy treat. Established in 1942. Some of the most colorful, fun packaging I have seen on snacks in a long time. Now these are like tubes, like a Cheeto tube, but straight. Or like a French fry. It does remind me of Indian cuisine. Just the flavoring on there. Totally unique snacks. And peppery and salty. It's just a really overwhelming sensation in your mouth with all those flavors. I think Indian cuisine in general is very overwhelming, but good. All right, now. Naan Khatai Classic, the original. What are they? I don't know. 2 for $1.49. What does it say? Traditional cookies. Okay. Let's see what this traditional cookie is like. It's got non-traditional tape. Wow. It's like a fortress to get into your cookie. Let me cut this layer out. They're in a nice tray. I feel it. Okay, that's kind of a very dry looking cookie and crumbly. And it's got a interesting coating on it. It's almost like a cracker. It's got a really light sweetness to it. I like them. Just think of a lightly sweetened shortbread type cookie. Very nice. All right. Cheese balls. You can't go wrong with cheese balls. Let's see. Masala. Cheese flavor. And they're a pretty nice size. I can just feel inside. Oh, I lost one of my cheese balls. Get back in here. I thought I had a good opening, but there's like a plastic liner that is stopping them from. It's like a... It's puffy. It's nice. The masala flavor is quite unique. It's like those potatoes. I can't think of the type of potato I'm thinking of that you get in the lunchrooms. All right. These are very interesting. I can't really say what is interesting besides the flavor. The crunchiness is pretty standard. I keep eating them too. All right. Moving on. My mess to something called Snackers. I'm out of bowls and I'm on my last two, so I'll just bring that one in. Salt and pepper. Flip open the pack and race into the world of new Hoisin Snackers. Delicious golden wheat bites showered with lip-smacking flavors. Well, that sounds exciting. What are those potatoes called? It's on the tip of my tongue. Ooh, look at that. It's just overwhelming. There are so many flavors in these. And since I'm not versed in all the different Indian cuisine flavors, I've had Indian food. I don't want to say often, but I do go for Indian food. And I like it. It's very spicy usually. And these are neat. They're like little weaved baskets. Tasty, real. They're very airy and crispy and light. Strawberry and vanilla. What is this? Cookie. Now on the last box I did from them, I said that was one of my favorites. This moves up there into my top 3. Ooh, I was trying to take it apart. Look at that. Pretty neat. Looks like Santa Claus. There's his nose. There's his little white hat. It's like a Ritz cracker with a filling. A nice strawberry filling, that is. All right, let me bring them all back. Wrap it up. All right. Actually, leaving on this box kind of makes me feel real good. I'm leaving on a high note for this particular type of snack box. I think best of all was that I've never had any of these snacks before that I can even recall having. Well, very unique. Spicy, but not overly spicy. The flavors, if you know the original flavor, you'd probably be better at comparing them to what they are tasting like in a snack form, but I was pretty happy with that. Now, if I had to pick a favorite, I will say the slants are my least favorite. I sniffed that bag again, and it sure does remind me of opening a paint can. And then the Snackers, I'm going to put that one near the top. The Sno-Cones, those two probably near the top. I think I like them the best. All right, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it for you. There will be other boxes, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.